Understanding Emulate, a game changer in reproductive immunology. Hello, I'm Dr. Mugdha Raut, a gynecologist and a clinical reproductive immunologist. We at Dr. Raut Center for Reproductive Immunology treat couples with unexplained repeated pregnancy losses, unexplained IVF failures, and unexplained infertility with the active immunomodulation Emulate and other passive individualized reproductive immunomodulatory treatments. We have our centers in Mumbai and many other cities in India. Today, I'm here to talk with you something that has changed the life of so many couples, that is Emulate. Emulate is our patented and protocol-driven treatment specially developed for those suffering from unexplained infertility, repeated IVF failures, and recurrent pregnancy losses, often when all other reports are normal. Emulate is not just another treatment. It is a comprehensive, personalized immunotherapy protocol developed exclusively at our center. It is based on the science of lymphocyte immunization therapy, where the woman is immunized with allogenic lymphocytes from either the partner or the donor to help her immune system accept the embryo. But Emulate goes beyond just LIT. It is a multi-layered protocol combining lymphocyte immunization therapy modified by Dr. Raut's Center for Reproductive Immunology and other individualized immunomodulatory medications. All this is tailored precisely to the patient's immune profile based on specific blood tests. A healthy pregnancy depends on a delicate immune balance. The embryo is 50% different from the mother if self eggs are used and 100% different if donor eggs are used. And the mother's immune system must recognize it, accept it, and not reject it. But when there is immune dysregulation, such as indicated by various tests, the immune system may attack what it perceives as non-self, invading implantation process and causing pregnancy loss. Emulate works by promoting the immune tolerance towards the embryo, suppressing harmful immune activity, supporting implantation and placental development. It is never generic protocol. We have every treatment plan on the individual immune investigation report. So then who needs it? You may benefit from Emulate if you have 2 or more unexplained miscarriages, repeated IVF or IUI failures despite good quality embryos, unexplained infertility for over 2 years with normal reports, early onset high blood pressure in pregnancy, or conditions like endometriosis or adenomyosis that impact immune balance. One more indication is PCOS or PCOD, which has inflammatory reactions and causes immune imbalance. When no other cause is found, it is important to look at the immune system. What does it involve? Emulate is always customized treatment and it involves proper selection of the couple. Correct use of partner or donor lymphocytes, the timing, combinations and dosages depending on whether the goal is natural conception, IUI, IVF or support during pregnancy. A commonly asked question is, how successful is it? In properly selected couples, the success rate is 75 to 80%. We've seen remarkable outcomes. Couples with 3 to 6 IVF failures going on to deliver healthy babies. Women who conceive naturally after 10 to 15 years of infertility. Patients who have had multiple miscarriages now send us their baby photos thanking us. Emulate doesn't just aim for conception, it aims for a life healthy birth. In conclusion, Emulate is not an alternative. It is a scientific immune-based enhancement to your fertility journey. If you've done everything right and it's still not working, your immune system may be the missing link. You can talk to your IVF specialist or gynecologist or reach out to us directly on www.icprm.in or call on +91 9833 201522. Let's help your body welcome new life, not reject it. Because with the right diagnosis and targeted immune therapy, hope isn't lost. It just needs to be realigned. If you like this video, do share it with at least one person who you think will benefit from Emulate treatment. I'm asking for just one share. You never know, you may change the life of one couple forever.